3 being worth over $10 million and the latest being worth over $1 billion, and then losing the $1 billion company. Yes, I took some losses, but I'm not going to make a few losses. Doesn't mean I lose. I'm still in the fucking game, and I'm going to take that knowledge of how to build a company from scratch, from in your master bedroom, from putting fucking tile walls as your whiteboard, and pushing carts from manila folders, all the way to fucking going public and worth $1 billion and 2,200 employees. I'm going to take that experience. I'm going to take that knowledge. I'm going to take the wins and the losses that I got from that, and I'm going to implement that into coaching business. I'm going to implement that into mentorship to help entrepreneurs, to help business owners out there like yourself listening, to go from A to Z, to get from B to F, to get from H to, to M. Like, how do you get there, right? I want to help you get there. And that's what it's about for me. So yes, I took a loss, but I did not lose. And in life, sometimes you take losses and sometimes you take wins. But the question is, as long as you refuse to lose, the game is not fucking over. And I just won't lose. I love the Rocky cliche, dude. Well, life's not about you fucking win all the time. It's about getting knocked the fuck down, and what are you going to do? And a lot of people love to see the hero fail. But you know what they love to see more than the hero fail? The fucking one that failed get back up and redeem himself. I've done this story. I did it after the home security days. Getting into soul and like, talking shit. I've been here before. I know how this chapter goes. I know how to play the fucking game. I know how to level up. You need to know how to fucking level up. You need to have that mindset that, look, a loss doesn't mean you lose. It's a fucking loss. You didn't lose the war. You lost the battle. In life, you're going to win battles. You're going to lose battles. But that doesn't mean you lost the fucking war. You want to win the fucking war, you take those losses and you learn from them. And then you're able to exuberate what you learn from them to help elevate yourself and those around you to continue to win more battles. Because sometimes battles are out of our fucking control. Sometimes battles, we can't control the outcome of it because things that just fucking happen. Sometimes it's a learning disability that you're struggling with that you can't figure out how to fucking get better at something. Sometimes it's fucking a production issue. Sometimes it's a sale issue. Sometimes it's environmental. Sometimes it's fucking world renowned. Sometimes it's a product liability issue. Sometimes just fucking shit happens and you take the L. But then what do? You fucking bounce back. You know the song, Bounce Back. That's right, from Big Sean. You take the L and you bounce the fuck back. That's the mentality of I will not lose. Don't get it twisted. You're going to lose battles. I fucking lost a big one. But that doesn't mean I've lost. I'm still winning the game. I'm still winning the game. I'm still here. I'm still fighting for what's right. I'm still out there helping people. I'm still out there mentoring people. I'm still out there investing in business. Like, I am out there and I'm making myself relevant. What are you doing? Are you making yourself relevant, or are you fucking hiding? Are you licking your wounds and hiding in a fucking room in a closet, bitching and whining, finding reasons to not fucking succeed and struggle, and finding excuses to not fucking come out of your fucking hole? Don't be that lady. Don't be that guy. Don't be that person. Be the one that fucking stands up and says, all right, I'm going to lick my wounds and fucking bounce. I'm ready to go. I'm going to bounce right back. I may have lost the battle. I didn't lose the fucking war because I will not lose the fucking war. And the war is your life. Your life isn't over. If you're listening to me right now, your fucking life is not over. So you didn't lose anything. So you lost a fucking battle. Who cares? So you lost in this, you lost that. Who fucking cares? You woke up this morning, right? The sunshine. You fucking woke up, right? You've got the ability to take things to the next level.